Hi everyone, which value of x is a solution to this equation? This is a factoring problem, and if you don't think you can factor something, just go ahead and use a quadratic formula. It will give you the solutions, but if you can factor, what I always try to do is factor first, so I'm going to try that first. I know 5 is a prime number, so if I set this up to factor, I know it has to be 5 and 1. I also know this is a positive, this is a negative. So both of these have to be negative. So when you multiply. Now the issue is going to be our factors of 36. And let's just write some of our factors of 36. So we have 9 and 4. Of course, these will all be negative. 18 and 2. 6 and 6. And all of these, when multiplied, are going to give you the 36, but we have to deal with this 5. So if I just randomly plug in some numbers here, and I know these are both negative, and if I put a 4 and 9 here, or the 9 and 4 here, I know it's not going to work. And what you're looking at is your outer and your inner, and we're looking for negative 36x. So those two don't work. The 18 and the 2 is going to be too big. Let's try the 6 and the 6. So if we try the 6 and the 6, we're going to get negative 30x. And then we're going to get the inner is going to be minus 6x. And that's a check, give us negative 36x. So here are your, this is a correct factorization. Now set each piece to 0, and then we can set up this piece, x minus 6 equals 0. So if you add 6 to both sides here, you can get 5x equals 6, and divide both sides by 5, you get x equals 6 divided by 5. And for this one, you get x equals 6. So I don't see the x equals 6 on here. The 6 divided by 5 is going to be 1 and 1/5, which is the same as 1 and 2/10. So that's going to be 1.2, since that's how they have it here. All right. So, or you could have just put it in the calculator. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.